Hey guys, Scanbot. I think it's really a useful tool to help you to turn in problems in Brightspace. And frankly, I'm being a bit selfish probably, but it turns out when you turn in 20 different documents, it's really like a million clicks. And it's actually going to make it easier for you. So let me show you how to use Scanbot. First off, go to the App Store and then find Scanbot and download it. I've got it downloaded. Then of course find it on your phone. And what you're going to do is click on the plus button. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold the paper overneath. See, I'm waiting to say move closer, don't move. It just took a picture of that, right? So it's taking a picture of that, but here's what you want to do is then I want to because if it's a multiple page document, I click scan again. I'll flick this over to a new page, hold it over. Boom. So you're going to keep adding, once it gets this, keep clicking on the button scan, bottom left hand corner, until you get to the last page. So let's say this is the last page, it's a 3-page document. And then I'm going to say save, upper right hand corner, click save. Now I have this new Scanbot, and I'm going to convert it to a PDF. So share as a PDF is probably the easiest way to do this. And I can share it via AirDrop to my Mac laptop. And at that point, it's super easy to drag and drop it. See, it's just coming into my laptop right now. It's easy for me to now put it into Brightspace by just drag and drop. I think that's going to be the easiest workflow.